your boyfriend of 3 years have always been close. You both are in a live-in relationship and he's the one who proposed. As you both work in the same company and you accepted him because you have crush on him. But every time you are on your period, he disappears for the whole week. Is he hiding something? You can't understand why he disappears when you are on period. But you took it easy because you thought that he is not comfortable around you when you are on your periods. And now you're on the baby. You wake up in the middle of night, you stretched and look down. You have gotten your period ready unexpectedly. You see Jungkook staring in his sleep, his eyes opening and getting up quickly, looking at you as you raise an eyebrow. You, what's wrong, Cook? He asks in confusion, and he panics for a second. His nose can smell that you are on your period. As he looks away, turns back towards you. Jungkook, babe, are you on your period? You, yes, babe. I got my periods just now. You said while sitting up. He panics a little more and sits up. Jungkook, do you need anything? He asked while controlling himself, and you spoke. You, it's okay, I can manage. You said slowly. He nods softly, and he bites his lip, trying not to sniff the air because all he could sense is your blood. Jungkook, are you sure? I could get you pads or a heating pad. You, no, it's okay, I have everything. Just give me a few minutes, I'll fresh up and come. You said, and he nodded his head. Then you went to washroom and you came out of washroom with tired face. Jungkook, are you in any pain or are you getting any cramps? He asked while clenching his fist because your sweet scent is lingering to his nostrils. You, my stomach is hurting. You said while soothing to him because you want his hugs and cuddles, but he tries to sit further away to be not tempted to get closer to you because of the smell. Jungkook, maybe I should get you a heating pad, babe. It might help with your pain a little. You, it's okay, Jungkook. Just be with me. I don't want any of those. I want your cuddles, that's it. You said while laying on the bed while closing your eyes, and he looks back at you and nods softly before getting closer, gently wrapping his arms around your waist. He pressed his nose against your shoulder and shut his eyes. He's never been this close to you while you were on your period, and it was hard to suppress his vampire instincts. You, what's wrong, Cook? You're sweating. You asked in worry because sudden change of his behavior. Jungkook, it's nothing big. Don't worry about it. He says gently, pressing his nose in the crook of your neck, trying hard not to give into his instincts. He gently runs a hand through your hair and pulls you close against his body, nuzzling his nose further against your neck. His fangs starting to grow and his eyes starting to turn red. His instincts taking over, trying his hardest not to bite you. He shuts his eyes, his fangs fully grown, his hands gripping you tightly. His head rests against your neck, his nose taking in the smell of your blood. He was getting too tempted to bite you. Jungkook, I can sense something is on. Your breath is becoming hard. You're sweating continuously.
चाहे दुख हो चाहे सुख हो, दिल ने तुझको ही पुकारा। तूने हमको है बनाया, तूने हमको है सवारा। जहाँ को तो रब का है, हमें तेरा है सहारा। बस तेरा साथ हो, चाहे जो बात हो, बस तेरा साथ हो, चाहे जो बात हो। तेरे कहने से कर जाएंगे, हम मर जाएंगे। ओ हम मर जाएंगे।
जाने कौन है तू मेरी बहना, जानू ये मगर शादा जाऊं मैं, करूं मैं वहाँ तेरा ही जिक्र। मुझे तू आसी लगती है, जीती हुई बाजी लगती है, तबीयत ताजी लगती है। ये तूने क्या किया, मैं दिल का राज कहता।